Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the transfer is reliable and fast. First, plug them in or confirm battery above 50% and make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids interruptions. Next, enable the appropriate backup service, iCloud for iPhone, Google Backup for Android, or create a local encrypted backup on your computer. Once done, sign into the same account and confirm two-factor authentication. Now you create and verify the backup that you will move. On the old phone, trigger a manual backup and include apps, messages, photos, and system settings so your new phone feels familiar. If using a computer, choose encrypted backup and write down the password. This preserves passwords and health data. Once it finishes, check the backup date and total size, and make sure the target device or account has enough free storage to accept the restore. Then you're ready to transfer. Finish by restoring the backup onto the new phone and completing account setups. Power on the new device, choose Restore from your cloud or local backup, and follow prompts. This reinstates settings and app data. After restore, reinstall any apps that didn't auto-download and sign into accounts so notifications and purchases sync. If something goes wrong, try again on a stable Wi-Fi network, update both phones' OS, or perform a computer-based restore. That usually resolves most transfer failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.